told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
If you want to know how you can get really interesting photos just in your back garden, watch to the end of the video to find out how the photos turned out. Welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. So I'm Jess, I'm a portrait and family photographer, and in today's video I'm going to be taking some photos in my garden, so let's get started.
As you fade away,
yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose.
So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and leave a comment down below on which one of the photos was your favourite. And don't forget to hit the bell, the like button and subscribe to my channel, as I would love to see a new face joining a part of my community. But thank you again, I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you.
it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away.